No, my toy is broken, lying on the ground. Pieces all around me, and I don't like that sound. Jeremy was playing near, and suddenly he walked away. He didn't look back, and that made me sad today. It's okay to make mistakes, we all mess up sometimes. But when you walk away, it doesn't feel so kind. Just say I'm sorry, it's a little word but strong. It helps fix hearts, it makes us all belong. I didn't mean to break her toy, it happened by mistake. I wanted to say sorry, but I felt my tongue shake. I thought I could be mad, or maybe walk away. So I stayed quiet, but now I regret that today. Hey Jeremy, listen here, there's a way to make things clear. A kind word starts with sorry, shows you truly care. You don't need to feel afraid, just speak from your heart. Saying sorry is brave, it's a perfect way to start. I'm really sorry I broke your toy today. I didn't mean to do it, and I should not have walked away. I felt scared you'd be angry, so I didn't say a word. But I wanna make it better, and I hope my sorry's heard. Thank you, Jeremy, that means a lot to me. We all make mistakes, and now I truly see that being kind and honest is better than staying mad. Let's fix it up together and feel a little glad. Let's use glue and sticky tape, we'll make the toy brand new. With teamwork and kindness, there's nothing we can't do. A smile is shining now, and laughter's in the air, because you said I'm sorry. You showed me that you care. Say sorry, be kind, let the bad stuff stay behind. Hearts grow bright when we make things right. Be brave, say it loud, let your kindness shine so proud. Oops, I'm sorry, it's okay. A little love goes a long way.